Hello guys, welcome to Bombay Greens. This is a channel started by my wife and I because we wanted to eat some healthy greens which were not available in our country. So in today's video, I will show you how to grow two different types of lettuce. I have created this potting mix which consists of one part of coco peat, one part of compost and one part of wood shavings. Mix them together and put this in a plastic glass. I have soaked these seeds in water because I have known that soaking seeds increases the germination rate. I add some water to create space and remove air bubbles.
Both these seeds were purchased from Amazon, and I will provide the links in the description box below.
Here I am removing the seeds carefully from the water and then placing them on top of the potting mix. I usually put 3 to 4 seeds in one glass because you never know about the germination rate and you don't want to wait further. Here I am adding some media on top of it so that the seeds get covered. Put some water using a spray bottle. I'm doing something similar for the another variety called the Butterhead lettuce. Make sure that the glass is always moist and keep these glasses in a dark spot till the seeds germinate. Just put some more potting mix on top of the glass and then add water. Always ensure that the glass is moist and never dry. So after 10 days, this is how the cups look. So what had happened was, if as you must have seen, we had put 4 seeds in each cup and all of them surprisingly germinated. And I didn't want to throw away all the plants. So what I did was I removed them and I transplanted them in their separate containers. So here now you can see there is one plant in one container. So yeah, it has been 10 days now and this is the growth. We will keep them in full sunlight so that we can, grow them faster and quicker. Thank you so much for watching.